Show us what we're doing.
We are making this. We're making burning stuff. We're making kindling. That's what we're Kindling.
Fire starters.
Kindling. And then candles.
Are we gonna eat this?
No.
Are you sure? Yeah, we don't want to eat that, huh?
No, let's start you on fire. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to my channel.
Nice.
Welcome to our channel.
There you go.
Okay, today we're going to show you how we make fire starters using egg cartons, wood shavings, and wax from Kelsey's Scentsy candles.
Yeah, I think we try really hard to repurpose almost everything that we use. Apparently I should use the microphone. So we feel really strongly that there's a lot of purposes to a lot of things and that you can reuse things and
Like these for an example.
yeah. And so what we do is I take my Scentsy's that I use in the house and I put them in these little plastic containers. These were little they were little fruit packages that we had for the kids' lunch one day and I held on to them to store the wax in there.
So there's lots of layers. I mean, each one of these, it probably takes 20 times of Kelsey using them.
Yeah.
And then we just pop them into the can once we...
Yep, so then we fill up this. And this is a number 10 can that I get from using my dehydrated Thrive food storage. So I hold on to those too. Anyways, yeah.
Okay, so we'll show you the steps. So first, we're going to take the wood shavings and we're going to dump those into the egg cartons. And then kind of spread them out somewhat evenly.
The kids love to help with all of our projects. Plus they learn, huh guys?
Learn to do.
You'll see we've got this big thing of cardboard underneath the project. That's because
We might spill it.
when the wax is hot and melted, it does go through the wood shavings and the egg cartons. So we have something underneath just to catch any extra so that it doesn't get on our countertop. Okay, so to melt the wax, I don't know if you can see behind us or not, but we have one of these number 10 cans inside a pot of boiling water. Kelsey's gonna show you closer.
All right, show
So
them
that's
what's in
what
there.
the can looks like with the wax inside.
And it's right in there.
You can see it's melting really good. And it won't damage your pots if you use the tin, so.
Okay, so now we're at the point we're just waiting for the wax to melt, and then we'll show you how we pour it on, and then at the end, after it's dried and hardened, we'll show you how we cut them apart.
This is how we do this.
This is how we do this. You're right.
Okay, the wax is all melted. It's up to about here, so pretty good bunch of wax. Another way you could do this potentially is like just mixing in the sawdust or wood shavings with the wax. That might make this step a little bit easier, but we've always done it this way just because, I don't know, seems like it's not quite as messy.
To make this easier in the future, we'll save a 2-liter pop bottle and cut off the top to use as a funnel. That way it won't matter if the wax is stuck to it. That'll help spread it out a little more evenly.
so we've poured the rest of the wax on and let it harden. Now we're going to go ahead and cut them into individual little egg sections with the scroll saw. That's the saw that seems convenient to us. It's small, kind of precise, and not something that has a great big saw that's going to fling a whole bunch of the material around. So anyways, we'll cut those up, and then we'll put the individual pieces, we'll stack them back into the cans for later use. All right, show you how that works. Okay, we've got them all cut apart into the little individual egg cells. I'm going to go ahead and put one in and get a fire started.